Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in the Twin Cities and beyond. Today I'm going to tell you the number one mistake people make when they are packing. So I bet some of you can probably guess, but the number one mistake that we run into is not packing items by room or by category. So that's number one. So let's say you've got a box and it's not all the way full. It's actually better to leave it a bit empty and keep the contents similar than to go in another room and throw some random stuff in there. When you unpack, it's gonna make your life so much easier. So once you've got it packed and you have your category in your room, you wanna label it on two sides, one on the top and one on the side, because when we're moving, we wanna make sure that our movers can get our boxes from where we're going to where they need to be in the new house, in the new place, and we want to be able to easily see. So in our company, we color code everything. So let's say kitchen is pink. You're going to have a piece of pink tape that comes over the top of the box and the side of the box, and then it's clearly labeled, kitchen, and it'll be like pots and pans. So very systematic, and it seems a little bit tedious on the front end, but trust me, when you get to your unpacking, you are going to be so thankful you did it this way and you did not make the mistake of jamming everything into one box. All right, we'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.